Hi there, and welcome to ShoBeaRo. Thanks for joining us. It's another drawing tutorial, and today we're going to draw a picture for Father's Day. Here's what you're going to need. Pencils. Any type of pencil will do. A black marker, an eraser, and paper or a drawing pad. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave your comments below with ideas you'd like me to draw. Are you ready? Grab your pencil. First, for the stake, draw a small T. For the bottle, draw a straight line up and down. Draw a non-symmetrical shape around the small T. Then copy that shape inside. Outline the small T to make it look like a capital T. This creates your T-bone. Now add the eyes. Next, add the legs and feet. A simple line and circle make the arms and hands. If you make a mistake or don't like what you've drawn, simply erase it and try again. This is why I always draw in pencil first. For the bottle, draw a small oval at the top and another curved line for the lip of the bottle. Decide where the bottom of the bottle will be and draw a curved line. Now back to the top. Draw two straight lines for the bottleneck. Add a curved line on both sides. Next, add another straight line to connect the bottleneck and the base. To add the bottle label, draw two small curved lines on the bottleneck, then two larger curved lines on the main body. Draw the eyes and then a cute smile. Add the legs and arms the same way you did for the stake. Now it's time to add the fun details. Draw simple lines in each hand. To make a flag, draw two curved lines, then a V at the end. Draw a small straight line to connect the curved lines to add the wave. Do the same on the other side. To draw a fork, draw a U shape, then add a line in the middle. I think this star is the perfect touch. Add one more curved line to the bottle. You'll want to make sure that both character legs are standing on the same plane. So if you need to redraw the legs, that's fine. Looks great! Now we need to write Happy Father's Day above. I always draw a top, bottom, and middle line to keep my letters straight. When writing a long word, I like to start in the middle to make sure everything will end up centered. But if that doesn't work, go ahead and erase your mistakes and try again. Perfect! Happy Father's Day! Now it's time for my favorite part. Grab your black marker and start inking. Your dad will love it. Don't forget to include your initials and the date. Wait for the ink to dry, then erase the pencil lines. This is amazing! Thanks, guys! Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment below. You keep smiling and stay awesome. Bye!